All right, pardon the mess, but here's a little video of my garage door opener. Just kidding, I haven't installed it yet, but as everyone that has a garage door with an opener know, that in order to control your motors, you usually have a door switch like that one that's lit in the center of the photo. You press that once, the door opens, you press it again, the door stops, reverses, and closes. Or you can press it again and you can stop the door wherever it is in motion. Well, like me, I have some expertise in the electronics and electrical. So I made my own switches so that I can open and close the doors. With this, just press these two all-around copper strips so that they touch, and I can open my door. Touch it again, door stops. Touch it again, and the door closes. Wow, that's not really that interesting, is it? But it's convenient. But I have this little thing, an Echo Dot. Wouldn't it be nice if I could get her to operate these? Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try doing it on the cheap, because I am cheap, and I already have these parts. So to make it work, what I intend to do is use these Tekken outlets here. And of course, because I'm videoing, I've only got one hand. Hang on. And of course, it's going to be difficult. There. Smart Wi-Fi plugs that are compatible with Alexa, Google, and probably Apple, whatever it is. Okay, so those are those. So what I intend to do is these are going to be voice controlled by her. These are going to turn on, and they're going to run these power supplies. You can't see them through the bag. I'll take one out. In another bag. Incredible why we have so much plastic in the ocean, isn't it? When we conserve packaging. Oh, I gotta put you down again. Okay, just so everyone's aware, I suck at making videos. I've never done one before. So there it is. There's a simple 12-volt power supply. It takes your AC mains in and 12-volt DC out. Well, I'm going to cut these plugs off because I don't need them. And these came from Sayel, $3.95 each. They plug into here like that. Alexa turns that on, turns on the 12 volts. 12 volts is to control these automotive relays. Okay. I bought these for another project. Didn't end up needing them. So they're spares. So I gotta wire this up to this. And then the output of these guys, because these act like little switches, are going to be connected to here and here. And all it's going to do is this relay, when it energizes, is going to pretend that I'm pushing that button, but it's going to do it electrically instead of mechanically. Okay, so there's the package. And since I have two garage doors, one here and one here, two relays, two power supplies, two outlets, and one guy that's going to try and pull it all off. I don't know what I paid for the relays. They weren't expensive at all. I think I got them from Part Source. These are 2-pack, Amazon, 20 bucks. Power supplies, $3.95 each at Sayel. Located just south of Gordon Baker Drive in Scarborough, North York. Great place, love it. Shameless plug there for Sayel. Yeah, I'll make another video when I start putting it together. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've hooked up the power. There they are there, and here they are here. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a relay check. I'm gonna plug the relays in, be right back. Okay, so I plugged the relays in. And I have to manually turn them on because I don't have it set up yet. Okay, can't see it, but you can hear it. It's working. So, on to the next stage. Hooking it up now to the door. All right, just finished and set up the commands in Smart Life and in my Alexa. No, not yet. And let's try it out. So, Alexa, door 1. Alexa, door 1. Alexa, door 1. Sweet. And of course I have this one working too. I'm gonna let it go all the way up because Alexa has a delay built in, but the smallest I can set the increment delay is 5 seconds, where Smart Life lets me do 1 second. So, of course you're not sure. So anyway, I'm gonna let it fully open. It'll be about 5 seconds and then I can close it right away. So Alexa, door 2. And if I let it fully open, I don't have to enter the code 2 more times because remember I said that you have to press the button once to open the door, press it to stop it, and press it again to reverse it closed. So now that it's fully open, I just have to tell her to close it. Alexa, door 2. And there you have it. Now some cleanup, tidy up the wires. This is just a trial, so I'm probably going to rerun those wires to get them out of the way and not see them, but proof of concept, it works. And I'm out the door under $40 worth of parts. I already had the Alexa, that's the expensive part, but I'm trying to do this on the cheap. A few bucks for relays, $8 for 2 power supplies, $20 for the 2-pack of those smart plugs. And there's the power supply here. That one's taped red, so I knew which one it was when I wired it. And there's the corresponding red wire there. And yeah, project complete.